Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Game Launcher not working. So first of all, you're going to have to quit out of your Epic Games. Once you've done that, select this bar icon right here. If you see Epic Games, you're going to have to simply quit it. Now lastly, come back at the search button. Simply type in Task Manager. You will see it under System. Open it. Now make sure that you're under Processes. Click on Anywhere, then type in E. If you see Epic Games here, right-click onto it, select End Task. Once you've done that, close your Task Manager, and then press Windows and R. Here type in %local app data %, and then Enter. It will open up your File Manager. Here, click on Anywhere, type in D, then you'll see Temp folder. Open it. Select each and every file by selecting or pressing Ctrl and A. Then select the bin icon. You're going to have to delete all the temp files. It might take a while depending upon how many temp folders you have. Once done, you may go ahead, close out of it, and restart your device. Now launch your Epic Games and see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to uninstall the game and reinstall it again. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.